So the tree that's going to kill a person one day is still there. Look at the arrow in here. That's the branch that is going to fall off. It will crack in half and then fall off. Hey, I have my internal microphone here right now. I don't know how this works with the wind. The wind is really catching up to me here. And I don't have an external microphone on this camera, so let's see if we can make a better picture here. Wow, look at this. This thing is gonna go for us one day. Look at that, it's hollow inside and the crack is already down all the way to here. You see that? It's coming, it's just a matter of time. I don't want to be underneath when that happens. The light is so harsh on this camera, it's nuts. But it doesn't matter. We have wind, and wind is not good for the microphone setting I have. We'll see how this works out. I'm gonna go with the dog to the park. Yeah, the big one. Echo, walking to the park. I don't have the tripod or selfie stick with me for this camera right now. That's good. Also, I have no external microphone with me either. So I'm on the internal microphone and I don't know how much wind we have in our area here. It's windy, very windy. I don't know what that does to my voice. But what I have is with me here is that little dog here. Where is it? Oh, it's walking away. Are you kidding me? This one here. I just wanted to have a little selfie with him, and he just walks away from me. Yeah, busy boy looking around, because there is like a family sitting there with their little small dogs in the middle of the grassy area there, and he just wants to run over there and cause trouble in the way, like shift things, dominate those little dogs, eat all their food. That's what his thing is. He also wants to bark at it and grab it. And to be honest, it's a little too cold to be sitting out there. That's a whole other story. I don't know how this works here. You know, I try and face it. Oh my god, it fell over. Now it's doing the sky. No? I have trouble making it look forward. I need to turn the face track off. Oh my god, here. Let's see if we can move it. Good. Down. Nice. Stay. Good. Stay. Very good. Stay. Nice. Come. Sit front. Good. Good. Sit. You're looking around to see if you can sit. It takes too long. Stay. So I hope this was all in the picture. Oh. Look at your face. There's the squirrel in the tree. I don't know if you can see it. Wait. The dog is in front of me again. Why are you in front of me? Go back. Back. If the dog walks in front of me, then I have to walk in his direction. Right? We don't want that. And there's the big black dog there. Yeah, and there we have water. Look at the water. Look. Oh, there, water. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Is this a big black dog? Oh, a big black dog for you. You're gonna jump in the water? You see it? Look at this hackles going up. His hackles are going up. Oh. It's fine, you're gonna leave it there. So, noise reduction. Does this include to remove like the noise that children make when they play in the playground? Or does it only remove wind noise? Does it isolate my voice or not? The noise reduction on it. I don't even know if the noise reduction is on or not, or where to push that button. Crazy. It's probably not a good audio. Oh, look at my phone here. This is like Android. Android phone? This is the worst phone I ever had. Like, I will never ever buy an Android phone again. I can tell you that. Where's my screen here? I want to see if I can connect to my camera here. Along the sticks here, my trail camera. You have the picture here. Can you see this? Oh, there. No reception there, right? So I'm going to click on this camera, connect to camera. There it goes. And yeah, so it cannot connect because Bluetooth is not in range. So nothing will happen. You can see the sky though. That's what it's good for, as a mirror. What is Echo doing here?